Hello sellers, good news. Rates are dropping. I think we can all agree the lower mortgage rates have been a breath of fresh air for the housing market. So as a seller is now a good time to list with dropping rates. Hi, I'm Suma Sri, the realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. Falling interest rates can impact the housing market for sellers by creating both opportunities and challenges. So it is important to look at both the pros and cons of listing your home in a market with dropping rates. First of all, know your why on selling your home. These reasons often fall into three categories: lifestyle changes, financial reasons, and property needs. Sometimes lifestyle changes can be the significant factor in decision to sell despite the market. Also, how are the falling rates creating a more favorable seller's market? Typically, rate drops increase buyers' demand. As more buyers enter into the market, you as a seller may find yourself in a stronger negotiating position to secure better terms for your sale. This means you have the opportunity to capitalize on the momentum with getting a higher price and possibly multiple offers in your property. However, make sure you weigh out all your options and your decision to list is not an impulsive one. You may want to consult a tax professional to see if there are any tax implications with your sale. Also, be sure you have a plan for your replacement property and what the move entails, especially if you are leaving the state. There may be some hidden cost to the move you are not aware of that can affect your bottom line of profit. It is important to take the time to weigh out the pros and cons to determine if you should sell your home now. While the market is looking better with lower interest rates and more buyers, there may be some other factors you need to consider. The decision is yours. As always, a real estate professional can help you to figure it out and put together a strategic marketing plan to make it happen. If you would like more information on inventory in your area, pricing and strategy, please reach out to me and my team. Working with knowledgeable agents can help you to navigate the market conditions effectively and will benefit you down the road with your long-term investments. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, helping buyers and sellers with excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.